yes, it's diverse. As a people, as colors, as languages, we are diverse, but there's a strange unity and a harmony in it as well. And that's what we are celebrating today.
One thing that has been bringing us all together for centuries is shared faith, culture, art, language, and values.
And today, in a world where we see people closing doors, outsiders, migrants, refugees becoming problems, where inclusion is becoming rare, I celebrate through Ranguna, we all celebrate through Ranguna, what we see today in Pakistan is the continued hospitality.